Welcome back, everyone, to Belinda's Country Living. Last week I did a video on a hummingbird feeder that I didn't like and that I did not recommend it to anyone. So I thought I would try my luck again, and I went online and I purchased a bird feeder from Walmart. It came today. I ordered that last Thursday, and like I said, it come today, so it's very fast shipping. It come from Walmart, and it just comes in 2 pieces. It is a hummingbird feeder from First Nature. It's plastic, which I like very well. I had a few of the glass hummingbird feeders hanging on a shepherd's hook, and it gets pretty windy where I'm at, and one of them fell down and it just broke, so I'm starting to go to the plastic. So far, it's got a wide opening, a wide mouth for your nectar, and will be very easy to clean. Comes with a little plastic hanger. I may have to end up changing that and make a little hanger out of a metal coat hanger. And the bottom has a lot of slots all the way around for the birds to feed on. And each little feeding port has 2 little slots. I'm not sure if these are going to be safe or not. I'm sure these feeders have been tested, but to satisfy me, I think I may make these little slots a little bit bigger. That way their beak will go in there a lot easier and come out. I fear that if they get their beak in there and they get scared, or if they have the dominant hummingbird male run them off, they might get their little beak in there stuck and could just cut it off. But hummingbird feeders, if you don't clean them regularly, they will create mold and disease that are very toxic to hummingbirds. So that's what I'm liking so far about this, is that it's going to be very easy to clean. And it just screws on. But yeah, I'm liking this. I guess I should have ordered a couple of them, but I don't know. I'll try this first. And I'd still like to get about 3 or 4 or 5, who knows how many more feeders, because I really do like them little hummingbirds. So there you have it. Like I said, if you haven't watched my other video I did on the hummingbird feeder that I didn't recommend, go check it out. So that's what I'm doing today. And please be sure, anytime you get a new feeder, to clean it first, because you don't know. Always clean your feeders. I clean my feeders twice a week. The sun, with your nectar in there, the sun heats that up. And when it starts, your nectar starts getting real milky, then that's time to change your nectar out and clean your feeder every time you fill up. Every time you fill up your feeders, always clean them out really, really well. So, yep, that's what I'm going to do today. Also, I've got a lot of flowers that I have to get in the ground and get in my pots that I got yesterday for Mother's Day. See if I could turn you around here without cutting you off, because I'm good at that. So I'm going to turn you around here and I'm going to show you some of my beautiful flowers. Out on my patio, got all these beautiful flowers for Mother's Day. Believe most of them has to go in the ground. I'm going to try to put some of them in flower pots. Got some marigolds there. And two flowers there. And one hanging basket. So that's what's on my agenda today. I want to thank all of you for viewing my videos. And please check out my other videos. I have a lot of cooking recipes on there. And that's why I named my channel Belinda's Country Living. Not only will I do cooking, I'll bring to you the outdoors. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Have a wonderful and blessed day.